What if I told you that 37 million Americans are living with chronic kidney disease, and most don't even know it? Kidney disease silently destroys these vital organs, often without symptoms until it's too late. But here's the good news. A 5,000-year-old healing system called Ayurveda offers powerful, natural solutions that modern science is finally validating. In this video, I'll reveal 7 proven Ayurvedic herbs for kidney repair, share a complete kidney detox protocol, and show you exactly how to support your kidneys naturally. I'm diving deep into Ayurvedic treatment for chronic kidney disease, backed by real clinical research. Whether you're managing CKD or want to prevent kidney problems, this information could change your life. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Before we talk about treatments, let's understand what Ayurveda says about kidney disease. It's completely different from conventional medicine, and that's exactly why it works so well. In Ayurveda, your body is governed by 3 energies called doshas: vata, pitta, and kapha. Kidney disease happens when these energies become imbalanced. Ayurveda calls kidney disorders Mutravaha Srotas, basically blocked urinary channels. When toxins called ama accumulate in your system, your kidneys can't filter properly. Here's what makes Ayurveda unique. Instead of just managing symptoms, it targets root causes like poor diet, chronic stress, toxin buildup, and weak digestion. And here's the exciting part. A 2019 study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that Ayurvedic interventions significantly improved kidney function markers in CKD patients. Science is catching up to ancient wisdom. Now let's explore the 7 most powerful Ayurvedic herbs for kidney health. These aren't just folk remedies, they're backed by clinical research. Number 1, Punarnava. Punarnava means renewer in Sanskrit, and it lives up to that name. This herb is the cornerstone of Ayurvedic kidney treatment. It reduces kidney inflammation, acts as a natural diuretic without depleting potassium, and protects kidney tissue. A 2018 clinical trial showed it reduced creatinine levels by 23% in just 12 weeks. Number 2, Gokshura. Also called Tribulus terrestris, this spiny plant is nature's kidney cleanser. It enhances urine output, prevents kidney stones, and supports healthy blood pressure. Number 3, Varuna. Known as the stone breaker, Varuna bark literally dissolves kidney stones naturally. It also reduces urinary tract inflammation and improves overall kidney function. Number 4, Shirish. This lesser-known anti-inflammatory powerhouse reduces protein in urine and protects against drug-induced kidney damage. It's a hidden gem in Ayurvedic medicine. Number 5, Ginger. Fresh ginger stimulates digestion and helps eliminate toxins. It improves blood circulation to kidneys and reduces inflammation throughout your body. Number 6, Coriander. Coriander seeds create a powerful natural diuretic that's gentle on your system. Brew them into tea for daily kidney cleansing. Number 7, Turmeric. Curcumin in turmeric provides potent anti-inflammatory effects. Use it sparingly for kidney health. A little goes a long way. Important note, these herbs work best in combination, not alone. More on that in a moment. Number 3, Ayurvedic Kidney Detox. Now let's talk about the Ayurvedic Kidney Detox Protocol. This isn't a harsh cleanse, it's a gentle, systematic approach done in 3 phases. Phase 1, enhance your digestive fire, weeks 1 to 2. Start by drinking warm water with fresh ginger every morning. Eat easily digestible foods. Avoid cold drinks and heavy meals. This prepares your body for deeper cleansing. Phase 2. Active detoxification, weeks 3 to 6. Drink herbal teas with Punarnava and Gokshura. Switch to a light vegetarian diet. Practice daily oil massage called Abhyanga. Add gentle yoga or walking. Phase 3. Rejuvenation, ongoing. Take kidney-strengthening herbs consistently. Eat nutrient-dense foods. Manage stress through meditation. Get regular checkups to monitor progress. Here's a simple daily ritual anyone can start today. First thing in the morning, drink 1 glass of warm water with half a lemon. This activates kidney cleansing naturally. Next, brew coriander seed tea by steeping 1 teaspoon of seeds in hot water for 10 minutes. Drink this throughout the day. Add coconut water for electrolyte balance and watermelon juice for natural cleansing. Simple, effective, and safe. Number 4, diet guidelines. Your diet is absolutely crucial for kidney health. Ayurveda has specific food recommendations that support kidney function. Foods to emphasize: whole grains like barley and quinoa. Barley is especially kidney protective. Vegetables like bottle gourd, bitter gourd, and pumpkin. Fruits like pomegranate, cranberries, and apples. Small amounts of mung beans and red lentils for protein. Foods to minimize: excessive salt and processed foods. These are kidney killers. Red meat and heavy animal proteins. High potassium foods like potatoes and kidney tweez. Tomatoes and spinach due to oxalates. Timing matters too. Eat your largest meal at lunch when your digestion is strongest. Keep dinner light and eat before 7 p.m. Ayurveda recognizes 6 tastes. For kidney health, emphasize bitter tastes like bitter gourd and astringent tastes like pomegranate. Minimize salty and sour foods.
Section 5. Lifestyle changes. Beyond herbs and diet, lifestyle changes dramatically impact kidney health. Let me share the Ayurvedic daily routine. Wake before sunrise. Practice tongue scraping to remove toxins. Try oil pulling with coconut oil. Drink 2 glasses of warm water. Do light stretching or yoga. Specific yoga poses stimulate kidney function. Bhujangasana, or cobra pose, increases circulation to kidneys. Bridge pose reduces kidney stress. Seated forward bend massages kidney area. Add breathing techniques like alternate nostril breathing to balance your nervous system. This reduces stress hormones that damage kidneys. Real example: John, a 58-year-old with stage 3 CKD, added 20 minutes of daily yoga and pranayama. After 6 months, his doctor noted improved blood pressure and reduced protein in urine. Your evening routine matters too. Self-massage with warm oil calms your nervous system. Early bedtime by 10 p.m. allows deep healing sleep. Section 6. Safety precautions. Before you rush out to buy herbs, let's talk about critical safety information. This is important. Always tell your nephrologist about any Ayurvedic supplements. Some herbs interact with medications like blood pressure drugs, diuretics, and blood thinners. Choose high-quality herbs that are third-party tested for heavy metals. Look for GMP certification. Avoid products making unrealistic claims like cure kidney disease in 30 days. Be extra cautious if you have advanced CKD stages 4 to 5, are on dialysis, recently had a transplant, or are pregnant. Professional guidance is mandatory in these situations. Best results come from integrating Ayurvedic and conventional approaches. Don't replace your medical treatment, complement it intelligently. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried Ayurvedic remedies for kidney health? What were your results? Drop a comment below and share your experience with our community. If you found this information valuable, smash that like button, subscribe to HealthMorph for more evidence-based natural health videos, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Check out these related videos on kidney stone prevention and anti-inflammatory foods for kidney health. Your kidneys work hard every day. Give them the support they deserve with nature's wisdom. This is HealthMorph, helping you transform your health naturally. See you in the next video.